Honorable Principal, respected Vice Principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you once again a very happy Independence Day. Myself, Sana Rehnuma from Standard 6, and I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 78th Independence Day celebration. Just before 78 years ago, we got independence from the British. The story of freedom struggle gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then on 15 August 1947, we became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. 15th August is celebrated as a national festival with flag hosting, parades and cultural events. School, colleges, offices, society complex, government and private organizations conduct a function to celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort and addresses the nation with a speech. For almost 2 centuries, the Britishers ruled over India, during which the Indian soldiers were treated inhumanely in British camps and farmers were dying of starvation as they could not grow crops and had to pay heavy land taxes. And the citizens of the country suffered a lot due to these operations. Before continuing my speech, I want to share a shairi. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ए मेरे वतन के लोगों तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, यह शुभ दिन है सबका लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने प्राण गंवाए, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने प्राण गंवाए, कुछ उन्हें भी याद कर लो जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए. Our freedom fighters struggled for India's independence and fought fearlessly against the Britishers. We won freedom from British power after a hard and non-violent struggle, and their contribution and effort are remembered in India's independence history. The Independence Day ignites a feeling of patriotism among people. Independence Day is the most significant day in the history of India because it reminds us the bravery of our freedom fighters. It unites the people and makes them feel that we are one nation with so many languages, religions and cultural values. Unity in diversity is the main essence of us Indians. We feel proud to be a part of the largest democratic country in the world. Before ending of my speech, I want to say a few lines more. न सरकार मेरी है न रौब मेरा है, न सरकार मेरी है न रौब मेरा है, न बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है. मुझे तो गौरव इस बात का है कि मैं इस हिंदुस्तान की हूँ और ये हिंदुस्तान मेरा है और ये हिंदुस्तान मेरा है. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय झारखंड.